Welcome to this short video that will provide an overview of the key components of the Hub. The Hub is the place where students go to create an account with BPP, to register interest in our programmes, to complete and progress applications to study with BPP, to access pre-course materials and our inductions, to get support, and to study with us. The Hub is the seamless gateway into BPP Adapt, our adaptive learning platform, our online classroom live, our virtual practice environment, and our established educational model, Momentum. Let's have a look at these elements in a bit more detail.
To log into the Hub, we go to the BPP website at bpp.com, and in the top right hand side of the screen you'll see there is a login button, which if I click my login button then allows me to register or sign into the Hub. By registering in the Hub, that allows you to register your interest on a particular course or programme, and if I click to sign in, let's now sign in as a student and let's see what resources are available to us when we enter the Hub. So if I look down my left hand navigation bar, I've got my home page, I've got access to my learning where I can access any of the resources that I may need, whether that be BPP Momentum or virtual practice environments or adaptive platforms BPP Adapt or even our online classrooms live, all easily accessible in my learning. I've also got access to my applications and also help and support. So let's say I'm about to start a programme and I want to apply for a course, or maybe I'm partway through my application and I want to either progress that application or complete it. I can do so by accessing my applications in the Hub. And what that allows me to do is then very simply, in a seamless manner, work through that application process. Once I've applied and I'm on my course, a lot of courses will then offer some pre-course induction material, pre-course learning. So for example, in this particular programme, there will be the ability to access an induction programme to help familiarise yourself with BPP and get you ready to start on your upcoming programme. From my homepage, I can access whatever I need. So whether that's access to my learning content itself, maybe using BPP Momentum, or whether it's accessing some of our other educational support tools, for example, our virtual practice environment. Our virtual practice environment is a brilliant way of taking the knowledge that you've learnt and applying it and practicing in a real world context. But in addition to our virtual practice environment, there are other resources we can access through our learning in the Hub. So for example, if I'm taking any of my sessions using our online classroom live, I will be able to access my online classroom live classroom very simply through the Hub. In addition, if I'm using our adaptive platform known as BPP Adapt, this is also available for our students and learners to access through the Hub. So if I click on my BPP Adapt, that will then take me into our predictive adaptive platform BPP Adapt. So really the Hub is the gateway for any resources you may need as a student, whether it's learning material, application material, or even access to help and support. So if you need support about tech, or you need some support from student services, or you just want to get in touch, all very simple through accessing the Hub. And don't forget, the Hub can be accessed on any device, so whether it's a desktop, a laptop, a mobile device, a tablet, or even using our native mobile app as well. The Hub is accessible, it's your gateway to everything you need 24/7 on any device.
Well, that was a short overview of the Hub, the gateway to access all of BPP services. I hope you found it informative.